And we begin tonight at 6 with the claims Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita made about an attempted rape suspect and the pushback from the Monroe County Sheriff. This is an update to a story that we first brought you yesterday.
Rokita claims the county ignored a request from ICE to hold a suspect in custody. And now that man is charged in a very similar case. Our Ashton Hackman talked with the AG today, joins us live in studio tonight with what he's learned. Ashton?
Yeah. Well, the Monroe County Sheriff Ruben Marte says his agency didn't violate any request from ICE and were not asked to hold that inmate. Attorney General Todd Rokita says the new case should have never happened. Rokita claims the Monroe County Sheriff's Office failed to hold 39-year-old Manuel Lopez Lopez in custody for ICE to pick him up. Lopez was charged Tuesday with trying to rape a woman on the Beeline Trail in Bloomington. The new charges are strikingly similar to the charges Lopez faced last July. Lopez pleaded guilty to criminal confinement and was given time served before being released. In a post on X this morning, Rokita claimed ICE made a detainer request for Lopez, but claimed Monroe County didn't honor it. But the sheriff said ICE only asked for a warning before Lopez was released, something the sheriff says they followed, writing, quote, that request was honored and ICE was notified before Lopez was released.
This guy, Lopez, he's the poster child for why we need to have sanctuary city laws in this state, in every state.
Lopez remained in jail for the 222 days between his arrest in July 2024 and his sentencing in February. I reached out to ICE to confirm whether the agency tried to pick up Lopez, but never got a response. When asked, Rokita was unable to confirm either.
We have a guy that was already arrested and convicted, pleaded guilty to violent crime against women, and now has done the same thing again.
Under a new Indiana law that took effect July 1st, sheriff or jail staff are required to alert ICE if they have probable cause a person is in the country illegally. Rokita was already suing the Monroe County Sheriff's Office for the county's old immigration policy, one the sheriff says was updated on June 10th to meet the new Indiana requirements.
But a new policy doesn't mean a correct policy. A new policy necessarily doesn't mean a compliant policy.
A policy now left to the courts as an alleged repeat offender remains in jail. Now, Rokita said ICE will likely put a detainer request on this new case. In the meantime, Lopez is set to be back in court for a bail review hearing that's set for July 17th.